Let's talk about rates and unit rates. A rate is a special kind of ratio that compares two quantities with different units of measure. A unit rate is a specific rate in which the second measurement or amount is 1. Some key words that describe the number 1 are per, each, and every. Some examples of unit rate are 24 miles for 1 gallon of gas or each gallon of gas, $3.50 per ounce, $1.25 for each bar, 110 calories for each serving or one serving, 6 necklaces per hour. Those are all examples of unit rates. Here we have 2 examples where we will find the unit rate. So we have 80 miles in 2 hours. So we write our ratio as 80 miles in 2 hours. Our in signifies where our colon should go. So just like always, we're going to set up our proportion. We are going to label our numbers, but this time, since we need to find our unit rate, we want to find for 1 hour. How many miles can they go in 1 hour? So we set up our proportion like this. Now we're going to cross multiply, divide. After we cross multiply, divide, we end up with x equals 40. So that means they can go 40 miles per hour or 40 miles in 1 hour. Now let's take a look at our second example. We have $64 for 4 video games. Our ratio is 64 to 4. To find the unit rate, we want to know how much money for 1 video game. So you always put the money on top. You always want to know the price per video game, the price per whatever you're purchasing or buying. So money always goes on top, and we want to know for 1 video game. So I abbreviated VG for video game. So now we'll cross multiply, divide. Since $64 for 4 video games, we want to figure out the price for 1. So after we cross multiply, divide, we see that x equals 16. That means it costs $16 for 1 video game. So over here, we write it as $16 per video game or 16 to 1. So here you have your unit rates.